Today, we're excited to dive into the Type-C plug ABS 4-in-1 Smart Media Card Reader Adapter for M2 SD XD SM, a versatile accessory designed to streamline your data transfer tasks. This innovative card reader combines 4 functionalities into one device, which means it can read M2 SD XD and Smart Media cards simultaneously. Perfect for photographers, videographers, and tech enthusiasts, this adapter significantly simplifies file transfers without the need for additional devices or complicated software setups. One of the standout features of this product is its plug-and-play capability. With a straightforward USB 2.0 connection, the adapter does not require any manual configurations or driver installations, making it a user-friendly option for both professionals and casual users alike. Whether you're transferring high-resolution movies, lengthy videos, or large image files, the USB 2.0 transmission protocol ensures that your data moves quickly and efficiently, keeping up with the demands of modern digital workflows. In real-world usage, the performance of this 4-in-1 adapter is truly impressive. Users will appreciate the simultaneous card reading function, which saves time, especially when working with multiple devices. This is a major advantage if you're shooting with different formats or need to access various data storage formats on the fly. The reader's compatibility with multiple media types means you can consolidate your storage solutions into one neat package, reducing the clutter of carrying multiple readers or devices. That said, while the Type-C plug ABS adapter offers a host of benefits, it is not entirely without its drawbacks. The reliance on the USB 2.0 protocol means that while it is efficient for everyday file transfers, users dealing with extremely large data volumes might experience some limitations compared to more modern USB 3.0 standards. Moreover, the build, though robust with ABS material, might not be as durable under harsh conditions as some higher-end products on the market. When compared to similar products available, this card reader holds its own by offering that unique 4-in-1 advantage. Many alternatives in the market provide only single or dual card functionality, making this device a more economical and versatile choice for multi-format users. To get the most out of this product, it's advised to always keep your firmware and software up to date. Ensure proper handling for long-term durability, and explore its full range of compatibility features across various devices. In summary, the Type-C plug ABS 4-in-1 Smart Media Card Reader Adapter is an excellent tool for anyone needing efficient and reliable storage access on the go. It is most beneficial for creatives, professionals, and tech-savvy users who desire a compact yet powerful device that simplifies file transfer and management across diverse media formats.